Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A51, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is this kind of SIM eject tool, like I'm provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box. Now if you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip, just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. So once you have that, you can then push out the tray, which is located on the left side, right here, where the pin is holding. There we go. So once you see it comes out, you can take out the tray, and from here you have access to two different SIM trays and one SD tray. So I have an SD right here, so I'm just gonna place that first. Now the tray is fairly nice, the cards don't actually fall out of it, it looks like. Just place them at the point that they're laying flush on there, and I'm gonna also bring one more here. So you can see that's how you place it. The cutout on the SIM card is located on the bottom right corner, and once you have them in, make sure that they're laying flush, and then you can slide it back into the device like so. And the first thing that I should see probably is the pin for the SIM cards. Now I actually don't know the pin, so I'll just keep it right here, but as you can see, the card is being read and memory card should be as well, and that is how you would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.